My video guide is about removing the new adware type application that is called LocatorUpdate. This particular adware type program is the part of the AdLoad adware family that primarily attacks Mac computers. LocatorUpdate adware attacks Mac devices and works through all possible Mac browsers, Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and so on. However, the research reveals that mainly Safari is being attacked by the LocatorUpdate adware. The problem with this adware is that it displays ads not related to the sites that you visit. There is nothing wrong with advertisements as long as they are decent. But the point is that speaking about this LocatorUpdate adware, it shows the great multitude of advertisements, and normally these ads are placed on top of other decent content which you cannot properly read because of this adware and its advertisements. The program called LocatorUpdate is spread through fake software or browser update alerts. In most of the cases, it is distributed and installed by customers pretty unintentionally. So this is why it is correctly classified as the potentially unwanted program. If you have discovered LocatorUpdate to be the part of your computer, you should immediately undertake the measures to remove this program. Check your applications through Finder. If you locate this adware called LocatorUpdate, you should right-click on it and move it to the trash. Another step I recommend you to accomplish is to investigate your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green button, download the software, install the application, and start researching your device with its help. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program would be initially in the trial version in your case, but even the trial mode has got certain free features such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not terminate this process because this is crucial for proper detection of malware or adware. At the end of the scan, you'll see the whole information about threats that were revealed on your computer. You will be able to know the exact locations of all these threats in the summary of the threats, and based on these locations data, some threats of course can be deleted manually, but upgrading to premium license of Combo Cleaner is a much better solution because this will help you to essentially boost up the performance of your computer, and this is the best way to completely clean your Mac from all other possibly hidden infections which could remain on your system. So consider Combo Cleaner Premium as the best tool to fully clean your Mac.